I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by linking accounts and confirming network basics. Make sure your Alexa device and smart devices are on the same Wi-Fi band. This avoids discovery issues. Once signed into the Alexa app, go straight to Smart Home and choose Add Device. Don't wait. You're creating the bridge between voice control and hardware. This first action unlocks device-specific skill linking. Enabling a skill is often required. If you enable skills now, discovery is quicker, and automation options appear in the Alexa app. Once done with linking, instruct Alexa to discover devices via the app or say, "Alexa, discover devices." Make sure the vendor skill is enabled. Many smart lights and plugs require it to expose advanced features. Next, create groups labeled by room, kitchen, living room, because saying "turn off living room lights" is faster than addressing each bulb. Also, rename devices with concise, unique names to prevent confusion. Shorter names reduce misrecognition. These steps let routines and scenes function predictably. You finish by creating routines to automate multi-device actions. Set triggers like time, voice phrase, or sensor activity, and add device actions in order. Test each routine and voice phrase and make small adjustments. Shorter phrases are more reliable. If something goes wrong, reboot the device and router, then rediscover in the Alexa app. Make sure the vendor skill remains linked and Wi-Fi signal is strong. This quick troubleshooting resolves most issues, so your smart home stays responsive and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.